students, welcome to Otari's Commerce and Finance coaching. Today we are going to learn about consumer behavior and study of consumer behavior. Before we start our consumer behavior, let's discuss about what mean by consumer behavior. Actually, in economical first chapter we study about microeconomic, which is deal with behavior of individual unit of the economy. Means micro and macro both are the two types of economic in economics, and microeconomic deal with individual behavior unit. So individual is considered as a satisfy his wants with available resources. That means every human's wants are unlimited, so all human wants cannot be satisfied at same time. So there is a need of particular want can be satisfied fully or a specific time. So today we are going to discuss and learn about consumer behavior, that is a utility analysis explain with satisfying efforts of a consumer to maximize satisfactions. So here are definition. What mean by utility? Generally, utility mean usefulness of a commodity, but in economics, utility mean want, satisfying power of a commodity. Means if a consumer is satisfied with the same commodity, full satisfied with same commodity, means there is a economic utility is included in this satisfaction. According to Professor Stanley Jevons, utility is the capacity of commodity to satisfy human wants. Yes, what mean by utility? It is a capacity of commodity. Commodity means product, thing. This is a capacity of commodity to satisfy every human want. So here are some features of utility. The first feature of utility is relative concept. What mean by relative concept? Generally, utility is related to time and place. So the time and place both are different. For example, suppose cotton clothes used in summer and woolen clothes are used in winter. So both clothes have greater utility and greater utility from this both different seasons. So according to time and according to place, there is a utility created for same commodity like Kashmir and Mumbai. So both woolen clothes have more utility in Kashmir than in Mumbai. So according to time and place, the utility should be created. Second point is subjective concept. Utility of commodity cannot be same for all individuals, as everyone have different choices. So utility of commodity cannot be same for all individuals. It different from person to person due to some differences in taste, preference, choice, style, design, liking, disliking, etc. There are so many way of their choices are different. So every people have different choices according to their concept. So utility of book is greater for an educated person than illiterate person. Means according to choice, according to concern, according to preference, the choices are different for every people. The next point is ethical neutral. Ethical neutral means the concept of ethical neutral is a has no ethical consideration, means it is a morally neutral. For every commodity which possesses utility may satisfy any want. So if there is does not any make differences between good, bad, moral, immoral, so these are included in ethical neutral. For example, knife has utility for housewife, even hotel industry, to cut vegetable, and also it have a same utility to killer who harms somebody. Means at the same time the ethical neutral should be included in a utility. The next point is utility and usefulness are not same. Yes, utility is want, satisfying power of commodity, where the usefulness is the benefit derived by a consumer. Means both are difference. So utility express a level of satisfaction of consumer or customer, whereas usefulness indicate value of use of commodity. So when a commodity which is possess utility may not be useful. For example, a cigarette has utility for smoker, but it does not have usefulness as it is injurious to health. Even smoke, even some drugs, some drinks are same, have a utility, means they have only utility for the smoker, drinker, druggers, but it's not usefulness for their health. The next point is not same as pleasure. Yes, it's not given a pleasure. Utility and pleasure are two different things. So commodity have may utility, but its consumption may not provide pleasure or happiness. For example, a injection has utility for patient, but it's very much painful, as everyone suffer this injection things. Everyone taken some injections, and you know that it is very utilized, it is very useful for us, but it has more pain, so it does not give pleasure. When we are given these injections, we are not enjoying the pleasure of that injection. So utility and pleasure, two are the different things. The next point is utility differ from satisfaction. Yes, utility are interrelated term, but there is a differences. Means it show the capacity of commodity to satisfy human want, whereas the feeling of happiness realized by the consumer. So utility is related to the commodity, whereas satisfaction is experienced by a person. So anticipated satisfaction, but satisfaction is the actual realization. So there is utility different from satisfaction. Next point is not easily measurable. Utility is not psychological concept, so it is invisible and intangible. So it cannot be measured. It cannot be measured in numbers. So it can be ordinary measures on happiness, on our satisfaction thing. For example, if we have a lots of thirst, we have some drink to water. So after drinking water, our level of satisfaction is high. Means it show that we not easily able to measure our satisfaction in any terms. Next point is depends upon the intensity of want. Yes, the utility of a commodity depend upon the intensity of want, urgency of want. The more urgent of the want, its greater utility, and vice versa. So the urgency of want is decline, utility dimness. Okay. The next point is it is the basic of demand. Yes, utility is formed on the basis of demand, because if a commodity does not give any utility, a person may not demand it. Okay, students, it's very much important. Every utility is depend on basis of demand. Means when if commodity does not give any utility, if it not included a person's demand, so it is very much essential that he demanded commodity, not only demanded commodity if it is give him a utility. So take us every student's example. Every student require pen, because it is given very much utility for that particular student, because utility of pen is more important for them. So it is on basis of demand. So demand create a utility. I hope you understand this point very well, student. So thank you for watching my video. Please share and subscribe. Thank you.